In this video, I'll be showing you how you add links to your Microsoft Word document. Simple and easy. So we'll be adding a link here. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the text you want to add a link to here. And now what we are going to do is we move to the Insert tab here. Tap on the Insert here and you're going to see link here. Besides bookmark, just tap on the link there. And to add a website, you need to choose an existing file or web page, and you see address at the bottom here. Try to enter the link here. So I have this link here I'm going to use, and then okay, good. So now you can see when I put my mouse cursor there, the website link shows there. So you press Control and then you get a cursor to tap on, click on it. So when I tap on it, you should open a new page. You get me? You see the website is opening here. So that's it. Very, very simple and easy. That's it on how you add links to your Microsoft Word document. You can also link other folders to your Word document you're working on. So you just, choose a location, something like this, and then you move to the Insert tab once again and you tap on the link. And this time you can choose to place a document, or you can create a new one or anything of your choice. So let's use this PDF file, and then let's press OK, and you can see it's here. So you just need to press the Control and then you tap on it and it opens the PDF for you. Very, very simple and easy. So that's it on how you link or you add links to your Microsoft Word document. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.